Let's make hot chocolate bombs without a mold. This fun and cozy winter recipe does not need a mold, and it's so easy. Start by adding 57 grams of softened butter, 142 grams of sifted powdered sugar, 28 grams of Dutch cocoa powder that's been sifted as well, and 1 tablespoon of milk to a mixing bowl. Mix on low until combined. The mixture will look like chocolate cookie dough when it's ready. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. I'm just using a quarter sheet pan here, so you don't need a big one. Using your hands, roll the filling into 12 balls and place them on the baking sheet. Place the tray in the freezer to let the balls harden. Melt 170 grams of dark chocolate. You can do this using a double boiler or in 30-second intervals in the microwave, making sure to stir between each one. You can also use milk chocolate if you prefer, both will work. Once the chocolate is melted, remove the cocoa balls from the freezer. Dip the balls in the melted chocolate and coat them completely. I like to use a fork like a spoon. This lets the excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped cocoa bombs back on the baking sheet. Once all the bombs are coated, you can place the tray back in the freezer to let the chocolate set for a few minutes. Remove the tray and then drizzle the excess chocolate on top. You can also drizzle the tops with white chocolate to be extra fancy if you want. Place the tray back in the freezer to set. Be sure to store hot chocolate bombs in the fridge, or you can also freeze them for even longer. To make hot chocolate using these hot chocolate bombs, heat 1 cup of milk to 160 degrees. Drop a cocoa bomb in a mug and pour the hot milk over the top. Stir to mix and let the bomb melt, and you have delicious hot chocolate. If you want more easy organic recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.